Hello, my friend. Welcome to Xtrendspeed trading platform live stream. My name is Alice. Glad to have you all here today. Now, before the asset analysis, let me introduce our sponsor today, Xtrendspeed. Xtrendspeed is a 0% commission CFD trading platform and the best forex broker for beta trader. It is popular in more than 170 countries, which offers 150 plus assets, including crypto, forex, commodities, indices, and stocks. And here are the honors we have got during 2022. Like the best Europe and Asian forex trading platforms, and the most transparent broker, and so on. Alright, now just let you know the chart is changing. Sometimes the risk is unpredictable, so what I said today is just my personal opinion. It is not a trading advice. You may still need to mind the risk yourself. Okay? So now it's time to do the tutorial of today. Our tutorial today is how could we trade with the chart patterns. So there are actually two kinds of chart patterns. One is reversal pattern, another is continuation pattern. For reversal pattern, when the price pattern signal a change in trend direction, which is known as a reversal pattern. The example here, the previous trend is actually an uptrend, right? Then the price move in the consolidation area, and this area is the chart pattern. So later, in a reversal pattern case, then the price will downward break the pattern and begin to move in a bearish market. In this case, that means the price actually will move in the opposite direction from the previous trend. So this is how we call the reversal pattern. And for the second part is the continuation pattern. The continuation pattern is occurred when the trend continues in its existing direction following a brief pause. So the previous trend is an uptrend. Then after a brief pause, then the price actually choose to continue to move in an uptrend. You see it? So the price actually will choose to move in the same direction with the prior trend. So this is how we call continuation pattern. And here is some common continuation patterns like the pennant, flag pattern, and wedges. Of course, this is not all the continuation patterns. We still got triangles and rectangles and so on. Just to let you know, the continuation pattern is all later. The price will move with the same direction with the prior trend, right? Then here is a reversal pattern. The reversal pattern is like the price will move in the opposite direction of the prior trend, right? And later as the key of chart pattern, how could we trade it? So the key of the chart pattern is not the name of this chart pattern is a triangle or it's a wedges or it's a pennant. No, the key of the chart pattern is the trend change. So we get to know when will the trend will begin to change, then we get the point to trade it, right? So for example, here is an uptrend. The characteristic is like the higher highs and lower high, right? But if like the price is not moving in a higher high, actually lower high, right? So in this case, the price actually is moving in a chart pattern. In this consolidation area, we call it chart pattern, and it is a continuation pattern or reversal pattern. We don't know yet, but we need to know which direction the price will break out. So if like it upward break down the pattern, we call this trend continuation. But if like the price now downward break the pattern, then we call it trend reversal because it is opposite to the previous trend, right? The characteristic for downtrend is like lower high and lower low, right? So, but if like the price actually not moving in a lower low, but in a higher low, then actually the price is moving in a consolidation area too, right? So in this case, if like the price later upward break the pattern, then we caught this buy here. But if like the price later downward break the pattern, then we could just sell it here. All right. So this is how could we trade with the chart pattern. Here is actually we got a practical example. This is EURUSD and it's the daily chart. We could see it. So we could say actually the price is in a downtrend, right? In the downtrend, and in this case, we see the price actually moved to here, not lower low, but higher low, right? So here the price actually moved in the consolidation area. It's a descending triangle pattern, but after the pattern, the price chooses to downward break the pattern. So in this case, here is the sell point. We could sell trade it. So if like we sell trade it here, then we actually gain profit, right? This is what we called for the chart pattern. For more details about how to trade those chart patterns, you could check this Xtrendspeed ebooks. And you can get this ebook for free by opening an Xtrendspeed MT4 account or contact our customer service with Telegram or WhatsApp. I actually have listed all the links in the description. Just check it. Okay, now it's the time to do the asset analysis. So there are actually two assets we're going to talk about today. First of all is EURUSD. Another one is XAUUSD, which is gold. So first of all, we look at this chart, which is the EURUSD weekly chart. Check it here. All right. Then we could see actually the price now is overall in a bearish market and it just a downward break the previous low, then which is a resistance zone now. So in this case, we could say the price is still dropping. We could check the lower time frame to see if there's any opportunity for us to short trade. So we go to the EURUSD, the daily chart. In the daily chart, we could say the price actually is move in a bearish channel, and in this channel, here's the thing we need to pay attention. The price actually reached the lower line of the down channel. So in this case, the price may get supported in this area, then the price may get a rebound. And here is the resistance level. It's here. It's like a 1.036. It's almost here. It got supported and began to rebound. In this case, we can pay attention to when will the rebound ended. If like the price got a short-term rebound and be rejected by the resistance and continue to go down. So in that case, it's actually a really good short entry. Why I don't talk about the entry for the rebound? I could buy here, right? If the price being supported. Yeah, you are right. But for me, I don't really trade long in a downward in a bearish market because you see if like you trade long here and you sell it here, then you can make money. But if like you haven't sell it here and you hesitated and so you hesitated when the price will drop immediately. So you see, if you keep it here, then you may lose money, right? So it's gonna be a little bit hard to trade long in the bearish market. This is why sometimes the better to do the trend following market trading. Okay, this is not like 100% because some people who also can trade rebound in the bearish market really well, they gain a lot. So it's just my personal experience. thing. So this is like the daily chart. The price may get rebound, but we check the 4-hour chart to see if it is true. So we go to the 4-hour chart, we see the price actually is still in a bearish market. It's right, but see here, the price actually upward break this trend, the lower trend, right? The upward break the lower trend. If this is like a completed candle, then this is like a two breakout. Then the price may reach to upper line here, so it got higher space to go up, right? If this is a two breakout, I'm not sure yet, but we pay attention to this area. This is like the MACD. We could notice like the price is constantly going to drop, but MACD, the histogram is actually getting higher. So in this case, we got a MACD bullish divergence, which means actually the bulls is getting stronger. So in the short term, we could pay attention to a short-term rebound. The price may get rebound. We could short trade it after the rebound. But if you want to trade it long for the short-term rebound, it's also okay, but please set up a stop loss. If like you failed, then you could protect your money, right? So this is like the EURUSD. We could say for next week, the price may get a short-term rebound. But overall, the prices still go for bearish market. Okay. And next, we are going to talk about the XAUUSD, which is gold. In the gold market, we could say this is a weekly chart. The price is in a distribution zone, and we see the price actually just downward break the uptrend line and constantly drop to the support line. So we could pay attention to the support line if the price will get supported to have a rebound or not. We are not sure yet, but we could pay attention to the support level, which is 1,676, almost here, not exactly here. Okay, so this is like the weekly chart. We could say the price is still dropping. So we could say if like if there's any opportunity to short trade it or wait the price to the support level to see if the price can be supported, then we could trade it long, right? So we go to the daily chart. For daily chart, we see the price actually is moving in a bearish market, in a bearish channel, and then it's still jumping. The price may get supported in the support level, which is actually here. It's almost the level we see in the weekly chart, right? So it's actually still jumping too. But in this case, if you want to short trade it, then here is your target. Actually it's not really much profit, but if you want to do a stop loss, you may need to pay attention to here. And in this area, it's actually not really worthy, right? If like the price go up, the more money you're gonna lose. But if it go down, you gain not as much as your loss, right? So in this case, for me, I would like to wait until the price being supported or downward break it. Then it's also a good timing to trade, right? So now let's go to the 4-hour chart to check where will the price may go. Let's see. Actually, the price is like in the falling wedge pattern, right? So what we said today about how could we trade with the chart pattern, if like the price downward break the pattern, then it's actually continuation pattern, right? So the price may continue to go down. So in that case, maybe we could short trade it. But if like it is supported and continue to go up, then in this case, we may could trade for a short-term rebound, right? And then, like I just said, all the chart analysis today are my personal opinions, not 100%, and not a trading advice too. So please manage the risk yourself. But if you are afraid of losing money, here's a super great news for you. To celebrate the Xtrendspeed is launched on MT4 platform. We specially applied for maximum bonus event only for you, which called profit guarantee bonus promotion event, which means that if you lose money during the event period, Xtrendspeed will pay all your losses back to your MT4 account. But if you gain profit, you could just take them away. For the details, you can refer to the link I listed in the description to talk to our customer service for in Telegram or WhatsApp. All right. Okay, let's call it for today. If you have any questions or suggestions for the live stream, you could also send it to the comment area. I wish you could have a good trading experience on Xtrendspeed. See you next time. Bye.